Hi children, good morning. How are you children? Yes, you all are fine and safe. Yes, and how did you write your exams? Yes, very nice. Yeah, daily children, whichever the work is given, you have to do on that day itself. Okay, and our third class social. Okay, what is this? The lesson number 4. The lesson number 4, physical, India's physical features. Yes, India's physical features. Okay. Yes, children. See me, children, and tell me my physical features. My physical features. Yes, I am tall. Yes, I am thin and I am fair. Yes, my hair is short. Yes, my weight and so on. My physical features. In this same way, we can tell the physical features of India. The physical features of India. Yes, what it is? To the north. To the north. To the north. What it is? Yes, India is surrounded by the Himalayas. The India is surrounded by the Himalayas. Okay, children? Yes, children. To the north, what it is? The Himalayas. Yes, to the south and east, west, India is surrounded by water. India is surrounded by water. And just as the states are located in India, yes. And our country is situated in the continent of Asia. In the continent of Asia, yes. India is the third largest country in Asia. It is the third largest country in Asia, and India measures about 3,214 kilometers from north to south. How much children? 3,214 kilometers from north to south. Yes, and the length from west to east is about 2,933 kilometers. Yes, okay children. Yes, children, India is surrounded by the following neighboring countries. Neighboring countries means, yes, your neighbors. For example, your neighbors. Who are your neighbors means you will tell, yes, this side, this aunt is there, this uncle's house, that house, this house. Yes, by the same way, the India's is surrounded by the neighboring countries. What it is? The Afghanistan. Yes, it is here children. You can see in the textbook. You can see in the textbook. Yes, Afghanistan. Yes, and the Pakistan here. And China. It is here. Yeah. And the Nepal. Okay. And Bhutan. Here children. Yes. And Bangladesh. Here. Okay. Sri Lanka. Yes children. Okay children. Yes children, it is Myanmar. Here it is, see. These are the neighboring countries. These are the neighboring countries of our India. Yes, and the physical features of India. The physical features of India. Yes. To the north, the India is surrounded by the Himalayas. To the north, it is surrounded by the Himalayas. North. Yes, children. And the world's highest the mountain ranges. Yes. To the south, what it is? To the south, east and west, the India is surrounded by water. It is surrounded by water. Yes, this blue color is this. This is water. Yes, children. And there is a lot of variety in India's physical features. Yes. What it is? The India physical features include the landforms, the water bodies, and soil, plains, mountains, plateaus, deserts and islands are the examples of landforms. These are the examples of landforms. Yes, based on the physical features, India can divide into 6 regions. There are 6 regions. The physical features 6 regions. Yes, what it is? The northern mountains, the northern plain, the Great Indian Desert, the Peninsular Plateau, yes, and the coastal plains and the islands. What it is? There are 6 children. There are 6 physical features. The India is divided into 6 groups, the 6 regions, yes, and the northern mountains, the northern plain, the Great Indian Desert, the Peninsular Plateau, the coastal plains and islands, the islands, yes. Okay children. Yes children, see here in the page number 21, the 6 regions of India. Yes, you see in the key this thing. Here the northern plains, means the brown color where it is the northern, what it is, up to here it is northern mountains. It is northern mountains, and the northern plain is green color. This is northern plains. These are the northern mountains. These are the northern mountains and these are the northern plains. Yes, and the Great Indian Desert, yellow color, this one, the Great Indian Desert. Yes, and the next one is the Peninsular Plateau. Which color it is? This one, up to here, this one, this all it is, yeah. And the next one, the coastal plains. The coastal plains, this is the green color, the dark green, okay. And the islands, it is the dark blue, Andaman and Nicobar Islands, yes. And the blue one, what it is, the rivers. These all are the rivers. Yes children, you take your textbook and see this, you can understand very nicely, okay children. And the next one, what it is, the first one is the northern mountains. The northern mountains from a boundary between India and China. The India and China. This one. Yes. They are known as the Himalayan mountains. What they are? They are Himalayan mountains. Many important rivers such as Ganga, Yamuna and Brahmaputra start from the Himalayas. The rivers, the most important rivers, what they are? The Ganga, Yamuna and Brahmaputra start from the Himalayas. Yes, the Brahmaputra, yes, the Ganga, Yamuna. It is given here children in this page. You can see. Yes, and the next one, the northern plain. The northern plain. This region lies to the south of Himalayan mountains. The river Ganga flows through the northern plain. Yes, this region is also known as Gangetic plain. Yes, and the river Yamuna also flows through this region. This river Yamuna flows through this region. Yes, and these rivers have made the northern plain excellent for farming. Excellent for farming. If you have water more and the land is very good, then only we can do the farming. Yes children, and New Delhi, our capital, is located in the northern plain. Yes, which is our capital children? India capital. It is Delhi. It is located in the northern plain. Okay children, and the next one is the Great Indian Desert. It is our Great Indian Desert. Yeah. This region is also known as the Thar Desert. It is Thar Desert. Yes. And the summers are very hot, and this area, this region receives very little rainfall. Very little rainfall. Okay. And there will be no water also. Okay. And what it is, in the desert there is no water. Yes, and the next one children, the Peninsular Plateau. The Peninsular Plateau is the largest region in India. It is the largest region in India. Yes, this one, from here to here, this all. Yes, it is very largest. Okay, and it is a triangular shape. It is a triangular shape. Yes. Have you seen your children? See, it is a triangular shape. Yes. And it is called the Peninsular Plateau because it covers the most of the Indian peninsula. The river Narmada divides the Peninsula Plateau into two parts. Yes? Okay, children? Understood the lesson? Yes? You have to read the textbook, children. Whenever we finish watching the video, you have to read the textbook. In the textbook, you have to compulsory read twice the lesson. In the textbook, you have to read. Yes, children? You are very good children. We know that you will read. Yes? Okay? Children, your work is today, your homework is to read the lesson in the textbook. Yes? Which lesson you are reading, children? The video which you are going to watch today. The fourth lesson. In the textbook, children, you have to read. Then you can understand very nicely the lesson. Okay? And do your works in time, children. Okay, children?